Welcome back to Tea Times Training. In our last video, we covered setup for the Tea Time system. If you've not watched that, please watch that first so that your system is configured correctly. Today, we're going to be talking about daily use for Tea Times. With the Tea Time system configured, you'll now be able to track productivity and progress on each repair order assigned to each technician, as well as their total progress on all repair orders assigned. We'll start with the technician header. The first item is the activity bar for each technician. This will show if the technician has clocked in or not, what repair order they are working on, or what tea time they are currently working on. In addition to showing the activity or repair order, it will also show the duration or work time they have been working on that particular activity. Next, below that, we have our daily time budget, which shows the estimated amount of hours we configured earlier for each technician. This is our budget, what we expect them to complete each day. We then have the amount of authorized but yet to be completed build hours. These are hours that are assigned to the technician but not yet complete. We then have completed build hours. As build hours are marked complete, they are removed from the yet to be completed total and moved to the completed build hours total. Pace is dependent on what your goal is, and goal is calculated by your daily time budget times the number of days the tech is scheduled to work within your time period. Pace is simply shown as a negative number indicating the amount of hours the technician needs to complete by the end of the pay period to reach their calculated goal. Next, we'll move to the technician's tablet. On the technician's homepage or active screen, they can see their total completed hours for the day. They can see their total billed yet not complete hours for the day, as well as their goal and pace for the pay period. And within each repair order tile, they'll see the specific completed hours for that repair order, as well as the yet to be completed build hours for that repair order, or their authorized but not yet completed hours. Once the repair order is open, they will see their total build hours for each labor line. They'll also have an indicator for their job time. This timer is a standalone timer dictated by the start and stop button to the right. This is simply a manual timer for an individual labor line, most commonly used for labor lines such as diagnostics or custom fabrication jobs. The job timer will not have any effect on work time, productivity, or efficiency for the technician. It is simply a standalone timer for that labor line. And at the top of the repair order, again, it will show the same indicator they saw on their homepage for this repair order, the completed hours, as well as the yet to be completed but authorized hours. Moving back to the Today's Vehicle page, the last tool we have access to from the Today's Vehicle page is the work order summary. This work order summary is specific to the repair order that you clicked on, and it will show you both the total summary for worked, billed, and completed, as well as the daily activity for worked, billed, and completed. At the top, we'll have the summary for the repair order, again for worked hours, billed hours, and completed hours. We'll then have a summary for each technician assigned to this repair order for their worked, billed, and completed. Below that, we'll have a date line, which will show the activity for that day, as well as the activity total up to that date. For example, on 8/28/2023, this technician accumulated a total of 1.42 worked hours for that day. Additionally, 1.3 hours of build time was authorized for that repair order on that day as well. And out of that 1.3, 0.3 hours were completed by the technician on that day. This is a great tool to measure both the activity for a certain technician per day, as well as to monitor progress for a specific repair order. That concludes our summary of daily use for tea times. Next, we will get into reporting. Check out the next video in the series, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.